called Seafood Bazaar. Okay. I'm not sure, dogs. To be honest with you, I'm not really sure. I think this is more my speed, the one in the grill. I think that's more my speed. But let's definitely like walk around, check it out.
See what we're working with.
Yeah.
Before we invest.
That's what I'm saying. I would have gotten that coffee thing right now had I known. The shelter. What's this all about? I'm not sure. Ah. It's like a little mini mart. Little hut right here. What do you call this room? That there's a net, you know what I mean? Because obviously mosquitoes. Like this little thing.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Should we keep going?
It's called
A bungalow.
bungalow, yeah.
I wonder if they got. Oh, I gotta get magnets. That's what I gotta get. I don't mind doing a little shopping. Get some magnets, you know. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Oh, Red Horse.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Another magnet turtle. We have a small bag. And you put the key.
Gotcha.
I don't want magnet. You want magnet?
Yeah.
We have another magnet. This one.
Gotcha.
This one. And red guitar.
Gotcha. Okay.
You like this?
I think so. I like this as Cebu.
This one.
No, how much is it though? 200? Okay. I think that's okay. Can you just give me a minute? I'm just gonna keep looking.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come back?
Yeah, I'm definitely interested in that.
I might get something.
Oh, we got fresh mango here. I'm interested. Very nice. I'm okay, thank you. I'm more interested in these mangoes.
I don't think that's a stand. I think they're doing that for the people.
Oh. You're right, because I saw the food and everything. Got an hour and 30 minutes here.
I feel like this is it.
This is it. They said chill out here. Well, there's more to it. That's what I'm saying. There's more to it back there.
I wonder if that's like private property, you know?
Is it though? I think we go back here during this shot. Just check it out. I feel you can't go wrong with it. Huh?
It's not so bad out here, though. There's a lot of culture.
Yeah, culture.
All the communities are really close to each other.
That's what I'm saying.
There's like over 100 islands, you know?
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Maybe we could just go like back here, like back there. Check it out what's over there, you know? See, no trespassing here, but like, I think everything else is fair game. I think so. The doggies. You see, they do barbecue right here. Fresh barbecue. They do fresh barbecue right here. Look at all these doggies. picture? No. Okay, no, we won't. No, are you sure? No picture. You got muscles too.
Baso. Namay.
Huh?
Namay.
No, my.
Namay. What's your name?
Oh, what's my name?
Yes.
David. What's your guy's name?
Got their name. Uy. Uy. Mother.
What? My dog?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
It's beautiful.
Very. Everyone's beautiful. You guys are very handsome. See you guys later.
You is a very handsome.
Thank you. See you guys later. You gotta respect them if they say, oh, there's a rooster. What are you talking about? Look at the rooster right here. Whoa. Is it cool to come here? Ooh, I think we just chill right here. Yeah, I'm gonna respect it. We'll balance it out. Cause once they said no pictures, I felt like the parents told them to say that, you know? Just swing a little bit. This is DUI. 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 I didn't. You see? Oh, what up? Oh, he's saying. It's a pet crow. Oh, they all got their pet roosters. That's what it is. They got pet roosters.
I think they're native.
But yo, they got them. They're like a chain. You know what I'm saying? They got pet roosters here. What's up, dog? That's an island. It's an interesting island. We got the chicks right here. What's up, chickens? I like that jersey, man. Where you get that? Your jersey? Okay. Well, I gotta get a Filipino jersey, dogs. I want the Nike Filipino. What's up, bro? Man, you got pet roosters out here. That's what's up. Ooh. Oh, yo, I got it. This is where they. Oh, so in the islands, they got their own. You know what I'm saying?
Sure. You can tell everybody's out when they play.
Oh man. Get their own stores. I'm not sure. Damn. Oh, you're a white rooster.
Turn around.
Sure.
It's pretty deep, right?
I think we're alright. Yeah, we'll go back. Welcome. Turn it off. Like someone's backyard. Imagine this. Yeah,
Yeah. It's nice.
How much does it cost to have an island like this? I mean, to have a view? This is my backyard. Oh, so that's what they do. They do these island tours for people.
Yeah.
That's how they do it. See this one, so we just come around.
How did we?
Oh, so hold them up. What's up, doggy? What's up, dog? Bro, that's a done deal, man.
Yeah.
Is this cat hungry? Damn, yo. Yeah, wanna go back? Oh, this is a song. Whoa. Respect, dog. Yes, man.
That bus is nice. But when it's like a storm, it's like rough.
With tsunamis.
Clouds are so dramatic over here.
See what?
The clouds, it's like so crazy.
They are.
Nice, yeah.
Well. Oh, shoot. That's cool, man. Is that a Coke bottle? You want to try it? Oh, shoot, man. That's cool. You can try it too. You gonna try it? It's okay.